One day, Kate and Isla were playing together. They were enjoying each other's company so much that they lost track of time. Just then, the clock rang, and the clock said to Kate, "It's too late, Kate. You both are playing from a long time. You should learn the importance of time." So Kate replied to the clock and said, "Hey clock, don't be angry on me. Can you teach me about time?" So the clock agrees to Kate and teaches the importance of time. "I have a minute hand and an hour hand. My hour hand moves one number ahead when minute hand completes one round of the clock." So kids, now let us learn how to check time. Let us take a clock now and divide it into two parts. The first part of the clock, that is from 12 to 6, is called past, and the second part of the clock from 6 to 12 is called to. When the minute hand of the clock reaches 3, we say quarter past. When the minute hand of the clock reaches 6, we say half past. And when the minute hand reaches 9, we say quarter to. So let us take a clock and learn a little more about time. So in the given clock, we can see 1 represents 5 past, 2 represents 10 past, 3 represents quarter past, 4 represents 20 past, 5 represents 25 past, 6 represents half past, 7 represents 25 to, 8 represents 22, quarter to is represented by 9, 10 represents 10 to, and 11 represents 11 to. And when the minute hand reaches 12, we say o'clock. So let us check the clock given here and tell the time. So in the given clock, we can see that the minute hand is at 3 and the hour hand is at 1. So we can say that the time in the given clock is quarter past 1, or as you all know, 1:15. Now, in this clock, we can see that the minute hand is at 9 while the hour hand is somewhere in between 1 and 2. So, we will say that the time in the given clock is quarter to 2, as the hour hand is about to reach 2, or as we say it, 1:45. Now kids, in this clock we can see that the minute hand is at 6 and the hour hand is exactly in between 1 and 2. So we can say that the time in the clock is half past 1, or as we say it, 1:30. So this is how we check time. Now kids, always remember that 1 hour has 60 minutes. So we can also say that 2 hours will have 2 multiplied by 60, that will be 120 minutes. So after learning all about time, Kate thanks the clock and says, "Thank you, clock, for teaching me time." So now kids, the activity for all of you today is that you have to check and write the time shown in the clocks given below.